Article 47. Supply consisting of more than one component. In practice, businesses may offer goods or services as part of a combined package. This means a single supply may actually consist of multiple distinct components, each of which could have a different VAT treatment under the UAE VAT decree law. For example, a supply could include a taxable component subject to standard rate VAT, 5%. Another component subject to zero rate, 0%. A third component that might be exempt from VAT. This type of supply is often referred to as a composite supply or mixed supply. 1. Importance of correct tax treatment. When different components within a single supply are subject to different VAT treatments, businesses must determine how to allocate the price between these components, what VAT rate to apply to each part of the supply, whether the supply should be treated as a single composite supply or as separate individual supplies. Incorrectly treating such supplies could result in underpayment or overpayment of VAT, compliance breaches and potential penalties, incorrect VAT invoices being issued to customers. 2. Role of the executive regulation. Article 47 delegates the responsibility for defining the rules and conditions for determining the correct VAT treatment of multi-component supplies to the executive regulation of the decree law. The executive regulation will specify the criteria to determine whether the supply should be treated as a single composite supply, one taxable treatment applied to the entire package, or multiple individual supplies, each taxed according to its own nature. The method for apportioning the price if different treatments apply. Specific examples and scenarios to guide businesses in common industries, example, hospitality, travel packages, telecommunications, etc. This clarity is essential for businesses to ensure they calculate, report, and pay VAT correctly. 3 examples of supplies with multiple components. Travel package, flight, hotel, tour service, each taxed differently, flight zero rated, others standard rated. Telecom bundle, mobile device plus service plan, both standard rated. Education package, tuition, zero rated, uniform and stationery, standard rated. Real estate package, residential building, exempt in some cases, furniture, standard rated. 4 key challenges in multi-component supplies. Determining whether a single price should be split across components or whether the whole package should be taxed as a single unified supply. Understanding the principal versus incidental supply distinction. In some cases, one component may be considered primary and the others ancillary, meaning all components would follow the tax treatment of the main element. Properly documenting the logic used to justify the VAT treatment applied, so it can be defended in case of a tax audit. 5. Composite supply versus mixed supply. Composite supply, closely linked components forming a single supply, example, all-inclusive hotel stay. Taxed at the principal component's rate. Mixed supply, independent components with distinct VAT treatments, example, flight plus hotel plus guided tour package. Each taxed at its own rate. For more details, contact us.